This is a Storm Team 10 severe weather alert.
Welcome back, everyone. We do have a tornado warning in effect until 8 o'clock Eastern time for Greene County and into parts of Owen County. We did get a report that a tornado was on the ground southwest of Worthington, about 1 mile. This isn't the type of weather where you could necessarily expect these little spin-ups, but they certainly can happen. There's enough instability in the atmosphere, the wind profile, just enough to where we could get some of these spin-ups. And of course, we've got Storm Team 10's Kevin Orpert working the Storm Team 10 Storm Tracker. And we were just taking a look at some of these wind speeds here within this storm. Kevin, if we can bring that back up, let's take a look here over by Worthington. And really, it doesn't look like a whole lot here. Usually we're looking for a little bit of a storm couplet, a little bit of green and red there. And it kind of looks like down maybe over here, we had a little bit of that. But it is really hard to tell, even in this day and age, where exactly that spin up was located. But again, if you're just tuning in, we do have a tornado warning for parts of northeastern Greene County and into parts of Owen County. Anyone here, of course, you'll want to stay inside, and of course we'll keep you updated to any of the latest reports that we do get. We've got our News 10 staff working on this. They're monitoring all the channels. Kevin is over checking in with the National Weather Service and checking in with any reports that they may have. No additional reports at this time. But we do suspect that the storm is taking a northeasterly track, moving quite quickly. And other than the tornado, we do have some lightning. There is, of course, some hail possible with this, quite a bit of heavy rain at this time. And we'll expect this to keep moving off to the northeast. And as we take a wider view here, if we can just kind of zoom out on the Storm Team 10 Storm Tracker, you'll notice we don't really have much in the way of any other severe thunderstorm warnings. It's just this little spin up here that was kind of confirmed. It wasn't even really indicated all that well on radar until that report came through. Once all of this pushes off to the east, of course, it looks like the severe weather threat is going to come to, and that's still some heavy rain at times off to the west of 41 here, but that severe weather threat is dying off pretty quickly as some more stable air comes into the forecast. Kevin, do you have anything, any updates for us?
Well, I do, Matt. I just want to reiterate what you were saying here. This is what we have from the National Weather Service. I'm going to read this to you. This was observed. This came in at 7:11, and this is a tornado warning for Greene, Monroe, and Owen counties until 8 p.m. At 7:24, a confirmed tornado was located near Bloomfield, or 24 miles west of Bloomington, moving east at 25 miles per hour. At 7:22 p.m., the public reported a tornado on the ground 1 mile southwest of Worthington. The next report we got from the Weather Service, and actually this came from ham radio operators, storm spotters, funnel cloud aloft, confirmed rotation on the east side of Bloomington. And so that's what I have as we continue to cover this for you right now. You can see there on the Storm Team 10 Storm Tracker. Of course, this is a report that we're doing here on News 10 WTHI. What we're going to do here, unless anything actually continues to develop, we're in touch with the law enforcement officials in Greene County to see if we can get eyes on the ground to give you a better report, a further report. In the meantime, we're going to go back to regular programming. I would urge you for further information to join us over on MyFox 10. Join us on MyFox 10 because then we can go into longer coverage if necessary. In the meantime, a tornado warning until 8 p.m. for those of you in Greene, Monroe, and Owen counties. Stay tuned to News 10 WTHI for complete storm coverage.